You searched how to buy shares of Vince Holding Corp. Vince is a U.S. contemporary apparel company focused on clothing and accessories. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VNCE, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy VNCE, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VNCE to locate the stock. Select the result that lists Vince Holding Corp to open its dedicated page. On the stock page, review the company's summary and the price chart for VNCE. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you are viewing the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After your purchase, the VNCE position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to explore the platform.